Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. David here from Daily Forecast. It is Monday, the 19th of December, and we're here to do an update. We did not do an update Friday past. It was a public holiday in South Africa, so I was not aware of that on Thursday. So today we're going to do Brent oil, crude oil, Bitcoin, and Euro, the four pairs that we always do. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification because we do forecast every single morning for the day ahead, and the analysis as well. And then if there's any other pairs that you guys want us to have a squiz at, we're most welcome to actually do that. So without any further ado, let's get into Brent oil on the daily chart. You can see that we've clearly got a bearish AB swing. There's the A high, there's the B low. You can see we came just shy of the 618 and price has fallen back. We are in a downtrend, so we do expect price to carry on down, but we do have a B failure support area a bit lower down. That's the daily chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Same swing as the daily chart. You can see, like I mentioned, the 618, we just came shy of the 618. If I pull my fibs and I look for where the most likely area of the B failure 786 area is, we're looking roughly at 7684 area. That's the typical area that we're looking at to find support. So let's see if price does push down a bit lower. For the guys that have climbed in on this evening star formation, for me I tend to sort of prefer the 618 or the 786 before I look for short entries. For any entries, in this case, it'll be on the short side. And for those that have entered, you guys would be in the money. The 1-hour chart where we actually trade from, where I actually trade from, you can see the last time we looked at our charts, there's our last A and there's our last B high. You can see price came and actually tested that B high, and we then expected price to fall down to this level. It fell through that level, and you can see it came just shy of the 786. But subsequent to that, you can see that price has actually fallen right down and taken out the A support low. So we've got some housekeeping to do on this chart now. So this we'll use as the new A high, simply because you can see it did make a slightly higher high over there. So we can see this is our new A high, and down here we'll have our B low that's already in place over there. We can pull our fibs from the A high down to the B low, and you can see that we came just shy of the 50. We're now at the B failure 786 area. You can see price bounced quite deep into this area over here. So if this area holds, we're looking for price to reach 81.31. Okay, over the next few sessions as such. Might even be today, might even be tomorrow. If the B failure area holds, we're looking for price to reach 81.31. We will then step down to a 5-minute chart. Let's actually do that right now, because we've actually got a scenario where price hit the B failure area over here, and now price has bounced up. So on the 5-minute chart, this will be that rally. So now what we will look for here we've got a nice bullish candlestick formation. Once we find a bit of a high, we will then draw our fibs, okay, from that low to, if this was the high, we're just looking at a hypothetical case, we'll then wait for price to fall back down, give us another bullish candlestick formation to go long. This is not the high yet, guys. Price could push higher, or this could become the high. Over the next half an hour, we'll see if price does come back down. We're looking for a test of this low area, followed by another bullish candlestick formation around here somewhere. And that will then be an entry to go long. Okay. That's Brent oil. Let's look at crude, 4-hour chart. There's our current A high and our current B low. You can see here we also came shy of the 618, and we pulled back a little. We still a ways from the BF 786, so nothing much on this chart. We, like I always say, prefer price to hit the 618 or the 786 higher up, but we are still bearish. We are still in a downtrend. Okay, we're only looking at a reversal once price takes out this A high, but for now we're not looking at anything like that at present. The 1-hour chart, we've also got some housekeeping to do on the 1-hour chart. You can see this is our last A low and our last B high. Okay, we had a 5-0 bounce. price came back and gave us a BF786, which told us we're going to head down to the 618. We headed beyond that when we went right down to the 786. Let's just see if this was a B failure here. There's the B, there's the A. We came just shy of the 786 area up there, and then price proceeded to fall right down, and you can see at this point here we took out the A support low. So we've got the start of a reversal here as well. So this is now our new A high over there, and this here is our new B low over here. And we can pull our fibs on this one as well. And we can see here we also came just shy of the 618. And let's check if this is a BF786 trade here. No, price didn't hit the 786 yet, so this is not quite the BF786. Brent's got a BF786 trade, this one does not. Okay, we need price slightly lower down for a BF786, but we've got the makings of a reversal, just like we had on Brent oil. So there's our left shoulder. This here will be our head over there, and you can see at that point price came and broke the A support low. Okay, so let's see if we get price to retrace slightly deeper, and then we're looking for a fall on this time frame. That's crude. Let's look at Euro daily. The Euro daily, you can see we can actually take this question mark out now because we've got a B high in place. You can see that clearly. So that's our A and our B. And if you pull our fibs from the A low to the B high, you can see that price pulled back to the 5.0 level. Don't have anything much to say on this chart other than we are still in an uptrend. Okay, the swings are very, very small. The 4-hour chart, which happens to be the same swing, you can see that here price also poked up through the B high and pulled right back down without really giving us a swing low. So what I'm going to do is the same like on the daily. I'm going to call this the actual B high, and I'm going to pull my fibs up to that area there. Here we've got a better swing low that's in the process of forming. Here we don't quite have. The high, you can see before the high there's no real low, it's just one single candle. So here we've also got a 5.0 bounce, and let's see if price finds resistance at the BF786, okay, or if we just rally straight on through the B high. On the 1-hour chart, you can see that we've got housekeeping to do on the 1-hour chart as well. So here, this is where it sort of becomes a bit different, in that here's our A low, there's our current B high. You can see price dipped a little and then took out that B high quite clearly. So what do we need to do here now? We've got some housekeeping to do here. You can see here this was a bit of a swing low, not absolutely textbook, but a swing low nonetheless, A, and there was another B high here, okay. And then you can see that price has actually taken out that A support low over there, giving us the start of a reversal. So we've actually got a new A high on top here. Sorry, this is all labels that we and markings that we have to put on the chart now. Let me make this a bit bigger, simply because this is price action that has actually occurred while in the interim since our last update. So you can see here that this is a new B low over there. Let me just tidy this up quickly. Okay, so clarity. So there was our last B high. There was a dip. You can see that actual dip there, and then you can see price rallied and took out that last B high. So this was a new A low, and this was a new B high. Few hours later, price came and dropped and took out that support level that was formed, giving us a new A high and a new B low. Okay guys, so for clarity purposes, you can see this was the last B high. Price came down and gave us a bit of a swing low here before giving us a new B high, taking out this high here. So there was an A and a B high here, and now you can see that price has actually fallen down through that level, starting a reversal process right here. Okay, so if I must just draw it out quickly, it will be looking like that, it will be looking like that there, and it will be looking like that there. Okay, and then price came down. Oops, price then came down over there, you see, And that's why we've got a new A high and a new B low. Okay, so if I draw the fibs from that A high to the B low, you can see that we came just shy of the 5.0. And then price went and took out this B low again. So we got to carry on labeling this chart. So this here becomes the C and the A high, and this one here becomes the new B low. So our current swing is not this one's done. Our current swing is this one here, our A high and our B low. Guys, you will notice we trade what we see, okay? And what we see here right now is price action that has actually occurred. Price has taken out this B high. You can see that their price has then come back and taken out this A low. It's a bit messy, but we have to trade what we see. Okay, so that's our current AB swing right there. If I can make that a bit bigger, you will see that's our current AB swing right there. Okay, and you can see price is at the 786. So what happens now? Do we fall from current levels? Do we get a bearish candlestick formation and fall? Okay, or if price takes out this A high, then we've got if price takes out this A high, then we've got the start of another inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern to go up. But we're not going to get ahead of ourselves right now. Don't want to confuse anybody. This is our most recent A high, B low, bearish. We are bearish until the A gets broken, which will start a reversal again. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour chart on the Bitcoin. You can see that we've been saying all along, there's our current A high, there's our current B low, there's B failure, and because of B failure with the prior 382 bounce, we were looking for price to come to the 5.0. You can see we came just shy of that 5.0 and price has fallen back and then gone sideways. We then said that if price takes out this B low, then this will become our new A high, because this is the highest high inside this A-B swing. So let's see if price is going to go up and test this area here, test that area, then give us another fall to give us another B low, or if we're actually going to push up and move beyond that area over there. If I were to draw and look for my BF786 area over here, I'll pull my fibs over there. So we've got a BF support area down at 16,081. That's where I've got quite a significant BF support area over there. Okay, but we're not there yet. If price does get there and something bullish occurs, then I am looking for price to pull deeper into the swing. So guys, don't be too concerned about if you don't understand how I label my charts, my ABCDs, if you don't quite understand how the Fibonacci's work, if you don't quite understand the head and shoulders patterns and the candlestick patterns and all of those things. We are going to be putting the whole course on this channel. So subscribe to the actual channel and hit the bell notification so that you guys are alerted every day when I do the update and the forecast for the day. Since I started this channel, we've been making, which is good, a few weeks ago now, we've been making our targets every single week. Let's see if we do make our targets this week. Might be a bit of a crazy week in that we've got the festive holidays coming up. We will only be trading till Friday this week. There afterwards we'll start, and I'll look at the calendar and tell you guys tomorrow when we start in Jan again. Okay, happy trading guys, and if there's nothing to actually trade, then we don't trade. If there's no setups, we trade on exactly the same setup formation each and every time. If there are no setups, it means there is no trade. Okay, I personally only trade Brent oil. I'll analyze any of the other pairs that you guys want me to analyze, and I only make my targets on Brent oil, and we do that week in, week out. And if we have a loss, we have a loss. That's absolutely fine. But we trade what we see, and we trade the same principles and the same strategy day in, day out. Thanks guys, enjoy your day, chat soon, bye bye.